Ever wondered how our cells make proteins from our DNA? It's like a secret recipe passed down from generation to generation, hidden in the nucleus of every cell. This recipe is our DNA, the blueprint for life. But how does this blueprint become a tangible, functioning protein? The answer lies in a process called protein synthesis. And the star of the show is a molecule called messenger RNA, or mRNA. Imagine DNA as a grand library filled with countless books of information, yet this knowledge is useless if it cannot be taken out and read. Here's where mRNA comes into play. Acting as a diligent librarian, it copies the essential information from the DNA and takes it out of the nucleus, the library of the cell. The first step in this process is transcription. During transcription, an enzyme called RNA polymerase binds to the DNA. It unzips the DNA helix and reads one strand, transcribing it into a complementary mRNA strand. This mRNA strand is a mirror image of the DNA strand, carrying the same essential information, but in a format that can leave the nucleus. Once the mRNA is formed, it carries this genetic information from the nucleus to the ribosomes, the protein factories of the cell. This journey is like a messenger traveling from the royal archives to the blacksmiths, carrying the blueprint for a new weapon. At the ribosomes, the information carried by the mRNA is interpreted or translated. The mRNA is read in groups of 3 nucleotides known as codons. Each codon specifies a particular amino acid, the building blocks of proteins. It's like a coded message, with each set of 3 letters representing a different piece of the puzzle. The ribosome, with the help of another type of RNA called transfer RNA or tRNA, deciphers these codons. It matches each codon with its corresponding amino acid, stringing them together in a specific order to create a protein. This process continues until a stop codon is reached, signaling the end of the protein synthesis. To summarize, mRNA is the essential link between the DNA in the nucleus and the protein synthesis machinery in the cytoplasm. It carries the genetic code from the DNA to the ribosomes, where it orchestrates the assembly of amino acids into proteins. Without mRNA, the information in our DNA would be like a locked treasure chest, full of potential but inaccessible. mRNA is the key that unlocks this treasure, playing a crucial role in protein synthesis and, by extension, all cellular functions. It's the tireless messenger ensuring the smooth running of the cellular city, one protein at a time.